Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens and I'm getting ready to roast some peppers. Oh yeah, look at these beauties. Really, really nice. I got a yellow, an orange, and a red one right there in my stainless steel bowl. Heavy duty tongs required. I'm drizzling with a little bit of salad oil. By the way, this is canola oil. Some say that it's healthier. Anyway, I just want to coat the outside with a little bit of oil like this. For the full recipe, you're going to have to subscribe right down here. And once you subscribe, just put in peppers on this channel. And you're going to find several recipes for peppers. And then you'll be on the cutting edge. Oh yeah, look at those roasted peppers. The recipe is very simple. Preheat your grill, get it very hot, maybe 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the peppers on the grill, rotate every few minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, they should get nice and brown. Remove, place in a mixing bowl, and cover them. Wait 10 minutes, then you can peel the. At this point, you can peel, chop, slice, mix with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic. Serve them with fish, serve them with chicken, or save them for just an appetizer or snack. Yeah, a little bit on the plate just like this. Oh yeah, that's going to be really, really good. Diet. That's why I'm touching on them. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic. All kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity. Star anise. Oh, it's a really nice quality. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping. That is the good stuff right there. Thank you for watching the presentation. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Hello, Chef here with yet again another butcher block video. Butcher block's one of my favorite surfaces to cut on. I love it. How do you know when a block is ready to be oiled? It's simple. This one was just oiled. It's beautiful. It's moist. It's wet. It's fresh looking. This one right here is about 10 years old. And it's dry. I'll show you comparatively the difference of them here. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just going to put it on like this. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily, this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now. Yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion. Let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the Butcher Block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in Butcher Block, and wow, it's the good stuff. The sponsor's right there. Yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Yeah. These blocks come in a variety of thicknesses and sizes. This one here is approximately 18 by 18 by 2 1/4. And the big one, this monster here, is like 48 by 25 by 4. Yeah, made in America. You can't go wrong. Get cooking and have a great day. Shop with professional chefs. Thousands of products made in the USA. Check it out. On sale now. Free shipping.